All right, guys. All right. We are back, baby. My bad, bro. I was taking a fucking dookie this morning, bro. Good thing I took a dookie, though. I probably would have missed everything. Maybe would have caught that, but that would have been still really, really. Maybe this one, yeah. Maybe I might have would have caught that. We would have seen, but you have a break and retest, right? We already broke above the zone. Waiting for something to happen down here. Then we can shoot for something like this. That's something we can shoot for right there, right? So all good. Let's drop a little bit lower. The window to the walls, to the walls. There we go. What's good? What's good, TJ, bro? Let's go ahead and get this win in, bro. Fast. No, I'm kidding, but let's go ahead and try to catch a really good trade, bro. And we're gonna do good, bro. First, I gotta stream the Dookie too. There we go. I'm gonna take this off real quick. My boy said he was good. He's in the back. I'm done for today. F400. Sheesh, TJ, bro. Look for a little engulfing down here. And yeah, after that, we should go in for some longs, bro. All there is, all these things. The hourly looks very bearish. My boy said he was good. What you take say I know, but I would say he could, bro. What's up, Rookie, bro? What's up, my guy? So, but I got in late night, close one. Sheesh, bro, you got in late at night. Nice little pinch right there. So I react off this one. Ooh, that might have been good. Good entry right there. Missed out on that one. I don't know why I waited. Wait a little bit longer.
Order filled.
Should be good right there. So breaking retest, pinch right there, bullish pinch right there. Get a little later up on it, so we're missing out on a few ticks. That's all good. I don't know. 300 cents would be a nice target. Sheesh. Yo, last minute, hourly. Last minute. Ooh, come on. Here we go. Let's go. Last minute. Close green on the hourly. Okay, we closed green. Closed green on the hourly. That's something. That is definitely something. Probably gonna hold it a little bit further right there. Damn. What's up, baby? Or not? Yes, it's shitting the bed. Oh my goodness, bro. This is moving like how NQ was moving yesterday, bro. You think the stop is a better entry? Just wait for it, my guy. There we go. There we go. Break even now. You really need to close right here. 400. Let's go. Yo, what's up, Hippers, bro? Let's go. Pump us up, baby. And we might see a little bit of rejection right here. So we might need to be, I might need to start, you know what I mean, adjusting it a little bit like that. But, I mean, I think honestly we could get hit break even too. Just pull back, boom, boom. But hopefully not, because I really think this was, you know, retest right there. So hopefully it's just a good little pump up from here. Once we get right here, we can't see him break it. We're going to go ahead and trail super tightly. There we go. Let's keep waiting. Wait. Oh, I don't have this up. There we go. Full screen that motherfucker. Full screen that motherfucker. 400. There we go. We can start trailing pretty tightly right here. To be honest, we're gonna let it go until we have a red candle. Then we're gonna go ahead and get out of it. Zone to zone move though, right there, right? So even if we reverse, I can't really be mad because bro, the zone to zone move, right? Now I'm just holding just to hold. But we're gonna see how we do definitely, man. Definitely looks like we should break it. But again, at the end of the day, it's all probability, right? So we see a red, if we can get an engulfing, we go ahead and get my bitch ass out of there. You feel me? See, all good, bro. We're reversing. Probably, you know what I mean? It was just a zone-to-zone move. I feel like holding just because I was feeling a little bit ballsy. It didn't work out. It didn't work out. You know, that's it.
Order filled.
All good. We missed out on $300 just because I wanted to hold. I'm up a good bit on capital, right? That was just me trying to hold, bro. Honestly, 208. Oh, that's pretty good, bro. Really, really good, bro. Only one, bro. I do only have one account right there. I'll go ahead and show the stats, bro. I think y'all are pretty new, right, bro? I haven't seen y'all, bro. Low-key, we've been cooking this week, bro. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I'm not even gonna hold. I'm not even gonna fuck around and talk. You know what I mean? I'm definitely cooking, bro. Definitely cooking. This goes up, bro. It goes up. You know what I mean, bro? I just trailed it really tight. It was honestly a zone-to-zone move. I probably should have got out right there. I just wanted to keep on holding. You know what I mean? We could definitely still try to get in here. We get like a 1 minute engulfing. We get something else, right? Could definitely just hop back into a trade like that. But I'm gonna wait until I get a little setup on that bottom zone. Then, nah, bro, I'm good, bro. I'm good. There's no trade for me to take, then there's no trade for me to take. I'm not going to take it. I'm going to just lock it. But I still feel like we can catch a little bit of something right here. And yeah, that should be it. So even if we're down, that's perfectly fine, bro. I'm fine with being down what? You know what I mean? If I keep it if I keep what I'm supposed to be risking, down $50 is not nothing crazy. I think I'm fine with being down $50. We are eligible for a payout now, though, just because we have because we have 5 green days. I think we've been had 5 green days. 1, 2, 3. No. Okay, yeah. So now we are eligible for a payout, though. Now we are eligible for a payout. My bad. Just because of that 200, if I were to lock it, right? Fuck, dude. I really wish I would have fucking just put it at break even, dude. But sheesh, bro. All good, all good. I was some bad stop losses, bro. Bad stop losses on my part. Should have just let it run. You feel me? And not been too worried about it. But that was a really good trade, bro. Really, really good trade. The reason why I took it, guys. So 5 minute broke above. We're just waiting for that break and retest. Come back down. We had that pinch candle right there for that break and retest. Bullish 1 minute candle right there, right? So I wanted to wait just a little bit just because I was like, you can still dump. So you see I waited a little bit. Missed out on like a few ticks, right? I was risking 125. It's like 23 ticks. Nothing crazy, bro, right? Well, yeah, man. That's what happened. That's what happened, man. Now, since we're looking at the hourly though, too, guys, this is the area where we should be reversing that too, if we're following structure. But I can still see us hitting this, right? But sheesh. But yeah, man, how long have y'all guys been trading for, bro? Y'all on fundeds, evals, maybe y'all trade live. These candles are spiking, bro. These candles are going crazy, bro. $25.05, $25.015. Sheesh, a little bit right there. Sheesh, maybe, bro. Maybe. Damn, guys, this really sucks. Got cucked on that one, bro. Cucked. So cucked. We'll go look at the daily time frame too, guys. See how we're looking like on the daily time frame. Ooh, daily time frame. If we cook this resistance, then we are good. Yeah, I mean, I think we might. I think this might be the start of the move, bro. If we engulf it right here on the 1 minute, that may be the start of the move to go for us to continue lower. But obviously, I'm gonna just keep waiting, bro, until I get something. Maybe a 5 minute engulfing down here, right? I would be pretty nice. Maybe we just fucking engulf it again. We just keep pumping, bro. Could be that too, you know. This is my last trick. Man, head hates me, bro. Chill, bro. Yeah, I think we might just continue to be going up from here, bro. We might have that no pump. I mean that no let's just go something like that. That would be like a 1-on-1. I could see us just keep on pumping, bro, if I'm being honest. But if we do, I'm gonna just wait for something to happen over here. Then we would have broke structure. I don't know, bro. It does look like it's like we're beginning to have a little turnaround here. Dude, I wish, bro, I fucking put my stops at right there, dude. Fuck. All good though, bro. All good. I can't even be mad. I probably would have sold right there anyways. I'm like, what are we doing? You know? Right here would have been a 1K day right there, guys. Insane work. Insano work. Insano work done today. Look at that, bro. Look at that. We're gonna climb up there. At least I can say, you know what I mean, trade was right, bro. Trade was definitely right. Just sucks, you know. I wasn't able to get profits like that. That's the only thing I would say. Trade was nice though. Trade was super nice, bro. Bro's getting edged right now. Ah. Ooh. We are near like that double top on 5 minute. Imagine we just engulf it like up here. Ha 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 ha. Honestly, maybe we just keep going up, bro. Maybe we just keep going up. You just need to catch up to what NQ's at. Uh-oh. There it is. Oh shit. Maybe we just come down here. If we were to come down here and engulf it, I'll be a very nice little entry for me to take. Maybe we just engulf this. We just. Dun, dun, dun. Uh-oh. 5 minute closes underneath here. We're gonna look for a break and retest to continue to lower. If not, then it doesn't. And we just chill and look for some longs, right? But just like the trade was, I was expecting this, bro. Just because I was like, oh, we might get a little reversal right here, right? So even though it didn't hit full on TP, it might have just reversed right there, anyways, right? So all good if that is the case, or maybe we just wanted to test it the bottom again, engulf it right here, boom, and then we just keep going higher. We go either way. It just looks like this is the time where NQ should be dropped. You know what I mean? Like we just retested that previous lower low, and we just retested that previous low, bro. So we should see a little bit of a drop here, or not. You know what I mean? Obviously, it's all probability, bro. At the end of the day, so maybe we just keep going up from here, right? Maybe we just engulf it right here, or 5 minute closes down below here, and then boom, boom. Hey there, Delilah. What's it like in New York City? Yeah, I do. So it would be like something like that, right? A very tight stop loss. Kind of a risky bit trade, right? If that were to happen. But yeah, something like that, yeah. I feel like it would just be risky to go long, you know what I mean? At this point in time. It Well, we can definitely still keep going up, bro. Definitely is a choice. Look at that. Look at that, bro. Damn, bro. Yeah, dude. I wish. Nah, yeah, nah. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, this week's been really, really nice. I sold right here early divergence, bro. I was, it's all good though. We wouldn't have hit this anyways. I probably would have ended up selling like right here off this candle. So I'm like, oh, we're rejecting it. I'm gonna just get out, right? But yeah, dude. I saw this red candle. I was like, rejection right here. He's on his own move already happened. A little bit of rejection. I was like, I'm gonna just hold it right there. Got stopped out. And yeah, that's what happened, bro. But it is what it is, bro. You blew your 5 funded, Savy? I thought you were doing good on them. And I thought you were risking. Wait, so were you risking 540, bro, or did you just full port these? I could be it, guys. Could definitely be it right there. I want to see how this candle reacts to it. 4 losses in a row, bro. Then it's all right, bro. Look, you stuck to your rules, bro. It is what it is, bro. Don't worry about it too much, bro. So damn, you're up 900, bro. Say you, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. You're up 900, bro. You should have took it, bro. That's 900, bro. But that's all good. I mean, sometimes it is just better to wait for your TP to get hit. I do understand that completely, bro. But that's 900, bro. Fuck. To get that break and recess. But look, we could just be forming a previous high, little lower high right here. It's supposed to go lower too, maybe. Sheesh. My bad, guys. I'm just playing very conservatively right now because it's Friday. We just want to be up to end it off, right? But I still feel like we could catch a little bit of something right here. I don't want this just to, this to be the little high point. Try to get everyone back into some longs first to go back lower because the hourly is pretty bearish, right? This could still end up in our favor to go up. But I really just want to keep waiting, bro. It's very sketchy. Very sketchy, bro. Or if we get something like that, I can see us just going higher. I just like a 101. be going back up. Just want to wait, guys. If I'm being honest. That would Drew, bro. Because then like that, this would be like the realistic kind of trade I would want to take, right? But look at how much we would be risking. Sheesh. Bro, banked. Bro, did you only enter in for like 20 seconds, bro? Appreciate a divergence, bro. Yeah, dude, we're definitely back on track again, bro. Bro, true, bro. Is that like a 20-second trade, dude? What the fuck? How you been doing on your evals, divergence, bro? You been good? Spared you by 10 points. Sheesh. All good, bro. 5 MES? Oh my goodness, bro. Bro was going crazy with that, bro. Fuck it, dude. Damn, 5 MES, bro. Remember when you was on your eval and it was hard for you? Bro, dude, yeah, dude, I was stuck in eval jail for like 6, 7 months, bro. I swear I did not mean to say it like that, but nah, deadass, bro. It was fucking hard, bro. I don't even know. I don't even know how I was on that eval for that long, bro. You know, just based on like how I was trading, bro. That made no sense to me. It was like really confused. Obviously, we're back on track. I definitely feel like, you know what I mean, we've been doing a lot better with patience, bro. Definitely, you know, change of attitude kind of thing, bro. And yeah, dude, I think, I mean, you just gotta cook from now on, bro. Let's see what's happening. So what we could end up happening is having an engulfing right here, bro. 5 minute. That could shoot us even lower, bro, right? Could definitely shoot us a little bit lower. Damn. We are a little retest pack of the zone, I guess. Could see this happening like that, guys. Small ass trade, though. Just we're like at the top, bro. If like I was to aim a little bit higher, I'll be going for a break of structure. You know what I mean? Without it actually happening. And I feel like the best trade is just following structure. Until we get that break of structure, then you can figure out what to do from there, you know? No, definitely, bro, 100%. Yeah, it could definitely go higher. I think, bro, it's just, I'm just waiting for that break of structure, bro, pretty much. If we go higher, then we officially broken structure, and then I could look for some longs. But just because we haven't just yet on the hourly, I don't want to look for anything. It's like I do, but I don't. If that makes sense, bro. Like it's scary in a way. Don't stop. Dang, you've been yeah. Sunday money, exactly, bro. All good, save bro. All good. Hell yeah, bro, Drew. I'm up 6.7K on personal. Jeez, bro. All good, bro. You're back testing all day, Drew. So do you think it was like your strategy, or just like you were just taking some bad trades, or do you think it was just a mix of both, bro? Because honestly, bro, sometimes you know, like your strat will have losses, bro. That's like, there's no 100% proof strat. You know what I mean? 100%, bro. All part of it, dude. My turtle soup strategy I see is kind of complex and hard to execute on, so I've been back to 3 hours. Makes it better. Okay, I got you, bro. Turtle soup. Turtle soup. Yeah, I think my boy Sauce uses that same thing too, bro. Mm. You want revenge trading and some of them, I feel you, bro. Jeez. 3 levels of trading, out of 3 levels of trading. What? The one I thought would be the most profitable going to be the worst. Oof. Oof. That's for backtesting, right? You said? That's good then, right, bro? I mean, you figured out which one was the worst, bro. Yeah. You one done today? Maybe, bro. It might look like that if I don't find anything from here, bro. And honestly, it might look like that, right? I really expected us to drop right here, right? And then reverse back up, keep dropping, but I think we're just chopping up for now. And I'm sure we'll find that drop soon. Or that pump, either or, bro. I just don't think we would pump, bro. It's, context wise, hourly is bearish. You know what I mean? Like we're in a bearish downtrend. It doesn't seem logical for us to pump. So I'm I don't really want to enter in on it. Doesn't mean it won't happen, right? It could definitely happen, right? It looks like there's a good setup for it on 5 minute, right? Right, that engulfing, but I just don't see it happening, bro. Only works in NQ. Oh. There you go. So I think we say in this range, yeah, I could look for some shorts, bro. But honestly, there's what 2 candles left, and we might just full on flood down, bro. Might just full on flood down, if I'm being honest. I am right, bro. Right at the buffer now, bro. It's like technically what I could see is to over this with over 400 trades. Sheesh. See, like right there, bro. That 1 minute engulfing. I could have just be us retesting that engulfing right on 5 minute. We just try to see test the bottom. And look at it, bro. That's a huge engulfing. That's a fucking Eddie candle right there, bro. Goodness gracious, we just caught up like 120 ticks in that one candle, bro. Right? But imagine if we engulf this back down, bro. That's solid. That's eats, bro. That's eats right there. That's all shorts all day. If this engulfs back down. 72. Oh, shit. When I did the math and probably did this 5 trades in a row over 300 trades at 72%. But a 62% win rate is good still, bro. You know what I mean? Literally, like, even if you have a 50% win rate, you're still doing good, bro. Like, if you're doing 1 to 2, you're risking 250 to make 500. And on a 50%, you're still doing good, bro. You're still gonna be making some income, right? You're still gonna be making bread on it. It really doesn't matter, bro. As long as y'all risk manage pretty good, bro, you're gonna be good. So right there, 140. Fuck that. Could be where we pump up now, though. That'd be good news. Yeah. You're in this gold long, trying to get to EO back break even. Got one up 2K, one break even, one down 500. Solid, solid, solid. It is, bro. Literally, this account. Remember, bro? I was down forever on this account. It was $300. I think. Nah, I'm not sure this was the same account. I think. I was down like $300 away from losing the account, bro. It took us like 2 months, bro, or no, like a month, bro, for us to get back to it, bro. Sheesh, man, cold in here. Sheesh, bro, yeah. That's gonna happen, bro. That will get you. It will get you. Get you, get you, get you, get you, get you. I think Loki, we're just chopping, bro, if we don't break out of this range. Ugh. You want to draw it down? I'll just hold my trade, but prop game is different. Prop firm. Actually, is a little bit different, bro. All good, though. See, that would have been good money. That would have been good money for needed for this week. I guess some of those trades would come in. You have to fucking girl, buddy. You know, just keep going. Of course, man. Definitely just gotta, keep taking good trades, bro. Smart trades. I'm not trying to just get trades where I'm like, oh no, I need to get this much, right? So definitely not nothing like that of that sort. But yeah, dude, I think slowly is the way, bro. Slowly is definitely the way, bro. On top of the world, on top of the world. Keep growing, keep going, keep going. Honestly, what I think is happening, we're just waiting for that hourly to close just for us to go lower. Now we're just doom scrolling, bro, until something happens, bro. How much do you risk per trade? So, am I related? It usually just varies, bro. If I'm being really honest with you, sometimes I go on risking 250. Sometimes I go on risking 300, right, or 350, right. I do try to do like at least like I do try to do around 250 to make 500. And then yeah, bro. So like that's usually around where it is. I know in the eval sometimes I'll be risking like 500, right, just to make 1K, and that's just because I was like, fuck. I mean, like I like got in low key like a little bit more cons than I was planning on to, right? I'm like, you know what? It's all good, bro. 500. That's just one trade. I'm going all in on this trade. Fuck it. So yeah, bro. I think it just definitely just varies like that, bro. But I do try to go in at least risking 250 a trade. I definitely think, guys, we're just chopping right now until the hourly opens, and then we'll finally get some movement. The Yankee just needs to, fucking close here, preferably up here for us to go lower. Oh shit, bro. Well, yeah, dude. I mean, I feel like if you're really good at like what I mean, like you trust your abilities and everything like that. I think that's definitely the way. You know what I mean? Like you're like, I already know I'm gonna make money. Let me just full for this trade, right? So no, that is really good, bro. If you do know what you're talking about, everything, that's super good. Because I know that my cousin does it that way, right? My cousin Wills, he just be full porting his evals just so he can hurry up and get his funded. He's really good, bro. The boy's goated, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm sure we even took the same trade right here too. hasn't posted anything. You hate being on evals, bro. Yeah, dude, I was on eval forever, bro. Could have been recovering all the time, but I was too much stress on my heart, so I don't care. I'm grateful to have a chance, bro. Yeah, dude. If anything, say you just, bro, turn the charts off, bro. Gets you out of that mindset. Oh, if I would have held, I would have got this. Turn off the charts. Enjoy your day, bro. It's the weekend, bro. Enjoy your weekend too. But yeah, bro. Don't be looking at the charts too much, bro. You'll be good. There we go. Finally broke above it. So even right here, we can have like a break and retest. We break above it, or close around here and go it back down. Could be a way. You feel me? We'll see, bro. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. Oh, shit. A little bit scary. Friends like that, like how that was looking bearish. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and enter in some shorts, bro. Not even go ho. Not even gonna lie. Not gonna lie. See what we're doing. See what we're doing. Dude, my arms are killing me. I did chest yesterday, bro. Bro, speaking of chest, bro, I'm back benching 315 again, bro. Oof, bro, I felt so good, dude. Back squatting again, finally 315. Backstory, bro. I haven't really been able to squat as much, right? So it's kind of weird, bro. It feels very weird that I'm like benching what I squat in a way, bro. That feels super weird, bro. But my legs have definitely been improving, bro. I feel my weight going up. That's really good, bro. Am I consistent? I would say not yet, bro. Not yet, bro. This week I've been really good, right? I wouldn't say I'm consistently profitable, but I would say I'm currently break even, bro. I'm a break even right now from my wins and losses and how much payouts I've secured, right? I was on an eval forever, bro. Eval forever, and I was on a funded for like 3 months back then, right? So yeah, bro, definitely, you know what I mean? Definitely been there where like I wasn't doing good, bro. And then I was there whenever I've definitely been at that point where I was like, bro, I'm cooking up so much, right? So yeah, bro, it's just gonna take time. You know what I mean? I think if I just continue to lock in, bro, I definitely don't think there's a way for me to lose, bro. And it is around that mark, bro, where everything should be turning around, which low key by this week, if I was to go off based off this week, bro, it's been looking like that, bro. It's been looking a lot like that. You know, I've been doing really good with my trades and everything, but I'm not gonna lie and tell you, oh yeah, I'm consistently profitable because I'm not. All right, but bro, you should imagine yeah, bro. I caught 1.5K in payouts twice. I'm eligible for my second payout right here, but I'm gonna keep waiting until I build like maybe 3K. Yeah, I want to be like a 3K buffer, maybe take out 1K or 1.5K, something like that, right? But yeah, dude. Yeah, definitely been, you know what I mean? It's not like I'm like, oh shit, best trade, you know? It's been like that for me, bro. You know what I mean? I've been losing it a little bit. Let's see, bro. Person keep waiting, bro. It's not really close, honestly. You said yeah. So SM and W. Yeah, bro. It's definitely been good, dude. Very, very good W. Uh, it sucked though, bro. I'm not gonna lie, dude. I went so basically, bro. I ended, bro, in like June and July. I had what 3 months worth of funded, right? I mean, obviously it took a long time. I only got 3K in payouts, right, in total, right, bro? But yeah, no, dude, it's obviously just you know what I mean. It's a, you know, fucking way up here, all the way back down to not even being able to get an eval pass in like 6 months, right? I've gotten a lot past, so I've gotten 4 passes in the last 3 months. So I got one in December, 2 in January, and then this is my other one. I think I got 2 in January. Or this is my third one in 3 months, or my fourth one in 3 months, something like that, right? Bro, I mean, it's just, I mean, we could go lower, bro. I think I'm gonna just wait a little bit, bro, till the hourly to close. That could definitely be the top, though. Definitely could be the top, bro. Look at that rejection off that. I think it is, bro. You know what I mean? But nah, not right now, bro. I'm trying to be a little bit more. You know what I mean? If anything, we could just wait for the break and retest right here. That would have been the top, right? And maybe we get a break and retest right here. That would be even better, dude. Look at that, bro. Maybe we sold, bro. Maybe we sold on that one, bro. We want to push up on. Alright. Alright. Ooh, ooh. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Gotta push up on it. I'm like really trying to reach this one. Yeah, 1.50K. 30 by 5 for big payout. How much you wish per trade? No. So I do only have one. I do think whenever we get a payout, I might buy. I'm probably gonna buy just another one right there, so I can have two. And I try to risk, and I do one to twos, right? And I try to risk 250 to make around 500. Sometimes you'll see me risking like 300, 350 though, right? I think that's just all part of it. Sometimes I will risk it that much, right? But yeah, no, it's definitely somewhere like that, bro. In that 250 range, I try to like, see, like I kind of already know how it is, right? To manage my trades in a way, right? Like I know if it's like 146, I'll go like three cons, right? I know if it's like 150, yeah, 150, I'm gonna go, yeah. I'm sorry. If it's like 140, I go like four cons. If it's like 150, I go three cons. It's like 252. I got a risk. I'm gonna go with two cons, right? But yeah, no, I think it all just depends, bro. Definitely just depends. So even if this comes back here, guys, we could definitely be looking for a break and retest right here. We just need to see how this next 1 minute close. We close underneath the zone. Would be fire, bro. Boom, securing some fucking shorts, bro. And yeah. And really try to push up on there. Damn, guys, we would have had an amazing ass entry, bro. Just look at it, bro. Right there. All good. We'll get another entry. Break and retest right here, anyways. So let's say like this were to happen. I'll go ahead and get in that short right there. I'm really trying to move this moment. Alright. Oh, wait. Wait, don't flood us down just yet, baby. 20 seconds left. 19, 18. Not liking how that closed. It's all about patience, right? I'm like, oh my god, let me get in so I can get a good entry and won't keep going lower. And we'll be like, fuck. Trying to keep that going. Bro, I swear if we engulf it on 5 minute to the upside, that would be fucking wild. Ugh. Gotta push up on it. Alright. Sheesh, my guys. We might just be pumping all day today, bro. This is what it's looking like. I might do. That's what it's looking like, bro. Sheesh, bro. Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. Bro, in for a 101, risking 250. Okay, save you, bro. Were you going in longs or shorts? Man, I really got horses. Sorry, bro. This is what I just be doing random shit, bro. Random shit. Look at that chop, though, bro. Broke out of the chop. Should come back into the chop again. Back to the chopper. Sheesh, bro. I really just close. See how we do, man. I'm honestly just gonna wait for a break and retest instead of taking that engulfing, guys. Pivot continue to do the opposite. Hello, bias. Right, I'm like, yeah, it looks good for shorts. Nah, I don't know, but it looks good for like. I feel like anything can happen right now. I mean, I already just closed. Could be our lower high forming. Then again, that 5-minute engulfing right at the bottom, right? Could be us trying to pump up too. This was a break and retest to you. Take me to the recent body high. We're going that way anyways, bro. Fuck it. Don't sleep. Oh. There we go. We can retest the upside. Come on. Really wish this. I hope this 5-minute breaks above it. Come back down here. Boom. Some longs. So that's why I said it could go any way, bro. Wait a couple minutes, of course. There you go, bro. Yeah, dude, do what you think is right, bro. 100%, dude. Could you be our double top? All right. But I really hope we engulf it so I can continue to look for some longs, bro. At least have something just so we won't get back sucked into this, bro. Oh, he's in the know. Last minute. Uh-oh. Up a little bit too high, buddy. Okay, I want you to kind of still stay above the zone, though. Stay above the zone, buddy. Lock it up. Lock them up. Ah, exactly, bro. You're good, dude. I think, yeah. I mean, like, you took a few amount of trades anyways, bro. I think, locking it up after this one is good, bro. Exactly, bro. Take it back Monday, bro. Damn it. We're still above. We're still at the zone. We're below the zone now. Trying to wait. Could go lower from here, right? Double top. Could also get us could be going lower, bro. No reason. Golfing up top, I'm fine with that, bro. All right, let's see, bro. So what we could see happening is a little engulfing right there at the top, and we could be going short from here. Oh. So we just keep dropping. Said we just keep dropping, bro. No. Oh. Damn, guys, we're not getting a good entry at all here. Might be cooked. Cooked Lou. Oh my goodness, bro. What a flood down. I just break below here, bro. I'm down. Alright, buddy. Alright, dude. And we're not gonna break below the zone. We should be fucking going up and down, up and down, up and down the whole entire time. Bro, what is going on? Too many engulfings, bro. That could be a play too. But you look at how many engulfings we've had, bro. Like double top. Boom, 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 boom. It's just insane right now. I don't even know if this is, you know what I mean? I probably won't even take this trade right here, bro. Even though we're going to be going up again. It just doesn't make sense. We're just chopping, bro. We've been chopping since fucking 9 a.m., bro. Oh my goodness. Bro, what is happening, bro? Oh my goodness. We're going to come back up all the way up here again, too, now. So we get an engulfing right here. I'm in, but going back and forth, back and forth. That is hilarious, bro. All good, guys. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get up. If I do decide to take another trade, I'm gonna make sure to go live anyways, bro. But I'm gonna go ahead and go eat something, like a little bit of something, bro. Just get some food in my tummy, bro. But honestly, yeah, guys, this is just looking bad, bro. Really, really bad. Like, oh my goodness, bro, this is horrible. Retest, 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 retest again. Like, what the fuck? Boom, boom, double top. Didn't do anything, bro. This is insane. This is actually insane, bro. We're just chopping up though. Um, don't know. Yeah, there. I don't even think there's a trade to be taken, bro. Here, I mean, you could take a trade. You could bang off this long, right? But dude, we've chopped, bro. Like your chances are getting slimmer and slimmer every single time we keep doing this, right? I'm gonna go ahead and get off, guys. I'll make sure to go back live if I do. Like I said, if I do take another trade, right? But bro, I don't. I mean, maybe a short could be happening here, right? Let me see how this 1 minute ends. Not, I'm good and get off, bro. Trapped a lot of traders, 100%, bro. That trapped a whole bunch of traders, bro. What the fuck? Yeah, I don't know, buddy. All right, my related, bro. Save me, bro. All y'all guys, good luck. Y'all keep trading, bro. Like I said, if I find another trade, I'll probably get back on. But as of it being now, bro, I don't think so. I don't think so. But yeah, y'all guys be safe, bro. Enjoy y'all's weekend, bro.